Here are 3 wrapping mistakes all florists should avoid. And I'm saying this because I made every single one of them myself. Number 1, using oversized paper. When I first started, I thought that the bigger the paper, the more impressive the bouquet would look. I thought it would add volume and make everything feel luxurious, but oversized paper actually does the opposite. It overwhelms the flowers, hides their shape, and throws the whole bouquet off balance. When the paper is too large, even the prettiest arrangement can look messy or sloppy. Matching the paper size to the bouquet is one of the simplest ways to instantly elevate your wrapping. Mistake number 2, neglecting symmetry. Random asymmetry, when symmetry is actually needed, can completely kill a bouquet's visual appeal. At the time, I didn't realize how much these tiny shifts, one side being a bit higher, one fold sticking out more, could completely change the look of the arrangement. It wasn't intentional design, it was just imbalance. And that kind of imbalance makes even a beautiful bouquet look unpolished. Once I started paying attention to structure and aligning my folds with purpose, my bouquets instantly looked cleaner and far more professional. Mistake number 3, using too much paper. I also believed that more paper meant more value. I kept adding layers, thinking it looked expensive and dramatic. But piling on paper only makes the bouquet bulky, heavy, and chaotic. It hides the flowers instead of complementing them. You really don't need a mountain of paper to create a beautiful wrap. A few well placed layers with intention always look far more elegant. So that's it for today. Subscribe for more wrapping tips and tricks. I have so many free resources on my page.